My name is Nicola. I live in southwest London with my 5-year-old daughter in a 2-bedroom flat. I got my smart meter installed because I was worried that my energy bills were really high. Speaking to friends, they said theirs weren't as high and they live in bigger properties than me. So spoke to my energy provider and they suggested getting a smart meter. I've definitely changed the way I use my energy since I've had my smart meter installed. It allows me to, just to budget a bit more. I can see sort of what I've spent per day, so I can sort of know if I've got to rein it in a little bit more because my smart meter will change colour. So it'll go red when I'm using a lot of electricity or gas and green when it's minimal. Being a single parent and having my smart meter really allows me to watch what I'm spending, and therefore I don't get that shock bill at the end of the month. Definitely recommend getting a smart meter to friends and family. It's really helped me, and I think it would help other people as well.